Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Realme Narzo 50. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Then open it. When it's ready, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then choose Send on Motorola and Receive on Realme. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only this one. Choose Send and click on Got It. On Realme, click on No Thanks and close this window. After that, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon here, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and click on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!